This is an old carpenter's tip that serves woodworkers well when they have to calculate odd miter angles for frames or moldings. Simply take a couple of scraps of material and overlap them at whatever angle you require. Then trace a line along the edge of the top piece. Now set your bevel gauge to the diagonal and use it to set your miter gauge or your compound miter saw. Then you can cut your actual molding stock. The same process may be used for anything placed around an inside or outside corner for furniture moldings and even trim carpentry. Just use a pair of scraps to find the angle rather than the molding stock itself, because that can be difficult to mark due to the profile. We couldn't do what we do without folks like the Bushy family over at Clearview Cyclones. Not only do they make the best dust collection cyclones on the market, but they're woodworkers supporting woodworkers. They're the sponsor of this video, and I really hope you'll thank them by visiting their website and using our discount code below this video. Wait, don't go yet. If you're new here, please subscribe and remember to ring the bell. I would really appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up, or better yet, leave us a comment. I always read them. And be sure to check out the latest issue of Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. It's always packed with tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker.